Hello everyone, I'm Kema, and my presentation is on analyzing Marks and Spencer's management issue to improve Marks and Spencer's digital reputation. Marks and Spencer is a large retail company that is mainly known for selling clothing, furniture, and food. The company's digital reputation is 3.8 out of 5 on Indeed. In order to improve Marks and Spencer digital reputation, I will analyze its main problem area, use the SPSS system. As you can see from the first table, we have total of 3,545 data, where the average between current staff and former employee is 0.77, which shows that there are more current staff than the former employee. In addition, the average score for the management is at the lowest level of the whole, is at 3.17, followed by the job security. So I noticed that management had the lowest rating. So I used the t-test to analyze this. Based on the independent t-test, I found 283 employees who thought they work long hours, rating the management at 3.23, and another 3,241 rated management at 3.18. This can Let's move on to the correlation analysis. For the correlation analysis, I analyzed the degree of correlation between the rating and other factors. I choose the work-life balance, job security, management, culture, and pay factors. According to the correlation analysis, it is so clearly that the management is the highest percentage, is 0.61. So I think that improving the management of Marks Spencer will help to improve Marks Spencer digital reputation, and that there is a need to find out where the problem in Marks Spencer's management. Based on the feedback on Indeed, employees mentioned that mostly feedback about stressful work, poor management, and the manager being friends with each other and long hours. So I have several suggestions to address this issue. First, set up an anonymous feedback system, like set up third-party service or internal survey platform. This can allow company to take action to the manager for the staff. Secondly, provide training on fairness and diversity. It is important for managers to understand the importance of fairness and diversity in the workplace. Providing training and on these topics can help to ensure that all employees are treated fairly and equally. This can include training on bias, cultural awareness, and inclusive leadership practice. Thirdly, establish a code of conduct. A clear code of conduct can help establish expectation for behavior and set a standard of ethical conduct in the workplace. This can include guidelines on how managers should interact with employees and how employees should treat each other. Fourthly, implement employee wellness program. High levels of pressure and stress can lead burnout and other health issue for employees. So, uh, the company can reduce the provide a flexible work arrangement and a reasonable workload expectations, and add 14 minutes more for break time. And lastly, establish a fair system of rewards. The cash rewards for employees who worked on holiday or during peak period, with a suggested reward of £10 to £20, depending on the intensity of the work. I have made several suggestions to address this issue. This presentation used the SPSS analysis to conclude that there are major problems with Marks and Spencer management, and to improve Marks and Spencer digital reputation, I have made target recommendations based on what I have learned. The strength of these recommendations is create more fair and efficient working environment and reduce the stress of employee and give employees philosophical care. The limitation of this presentation: the data is mostly from digital data on the internet and may be untrue. The judgment by data alone is subject to error and needs to be particularly and spend more money and more time to establish this policy. This is my reference list. Thank you.